Today in the grain market, we got soybeans are on the rise. China says that a deal is moving ahead, and that's really good news. The market now, for the almost fourth day in a row, we've kind of recovered off that low. So the reports that China will waive some of the tariffs is helping the rebound of this market, of that downtrend. And we're certainly going to need more confirmation to get this continued movement on the upside, but right now it looks very, very hopeful. And over the weekend, sometimes 2 days is a eternity when all the information is coming out, certainly from Washington. But we're very hopeful that the U.S. and China are getting together to make some kind of deal. Soybeans and the pork side are definitely going to be the ones to benefit a great deal. Now, corn is also steady today. The big news was that Mexico did make a big purchase, and it helped the market. It did spike it up pretty well. Although it didn't really create any kind of momentum to move up on the upside. Now, it could be because it's Friday, we get a spike up, and now there's going to be some profit taking, but traders are still worried that the export demand is seriously on the low side. The forecast for the WASDE report coming up next week may mean that there's going to be more cuts to exports. That can weigh heavy on the markets, and I think that's why we're seeing a little bit of that today. Now, wheat was a little bit lower today. The futures continued to slide the 6th day in a row. Now, we thought that it overshot the objective a little bit on that upside, and so you see the market continue to move lower. Prices did breach through a lot of the technical support numbers, and some of the speculative funds are a little bit short. So that's continued to push this market lower. We need a little bit better headlines, but it isn't going that lower in a hurry. But you can see across the board with Kansas City and Minneapolis wheat, it's all starting to sag and weigh a little bit heavier. We need more fundamental news, and right now everything is relatively bearish. Anything that might be able to shore up some of the support could be helpful. Perhaps the reason why it's not even lower is that we had the big jobs report today, and that might have helped the market from really falling off the ledge. We'll see if there's going to be any follow through on Monday. That might set the stage for what the directions are going to go from there.